Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The dollar held its ground, but was still near multi-week lows against some of its major peers as traders were on guard ahead of central bank meetings this week, including the Federal Reserve's, where it will announce its rates decision. Digital asset investment products saw outflows of $88 million last week, the 8th straight week of money exiting crypto funds. Outflows over the 8-week run now total $470 million and coincide with sizable declines in prices across cryptocurrencies following a hot start to the year. Germany's finance minister Christian Lindner is refusing Intel's demands for higher subsidies for a €17 billion chip plant, saying the country could not afford it, the Financial Times reported.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index Core at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey Economic Sentiment at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's ZEW survey Current Situation will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's Claimant Count Change at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.